It is your fault, guys. It is your fault. Guys, no time for long talk. It is your fault that YouTube is not recommending your content. It is your fault that millions of persons out there waiting to see your content are not getting out to them because you have not turned on the settings. You have not turned off the settings. So do you now believe me that it is your fault that your videos are not getting the required visibility? You know what it means when you get the visibility you deserve on YouTube. You're gonna have watch time, you're gonna have subscribers, you're gonna have money, most especially money, because we here on YouTube, we create content for fun, but on the other hand, it is an amazing thing that as you're creating content, as you're doing the things you love to do best, you are also earning. So you now see that it is your fault that your videos are not getting the required visibility. So guys, in this video, I am gonna take you by the hand. I am taking you by the hand over to my YouTube studio to show you those settings that you're supposed to turn on, to show you those settings that you're supposed to turn off so that YouTube can start recommending your content. Guys, without wasting much time, I'm taking you over there. But before I take you, have you subscribed? Tell me the truth. Have you subscribed? So if you're yet to subscribe, kindly like this video, kindly leave a comment in case I say something you don't understand. Let me know in the comment section. You understand? Then do not forget to share my content, share my videos so that other persons can get to see my videos through you. Now that you have done that, come with me. Okay guys, so at this point we are moving over to Chrome. So here in Chrome we are typing studio.youtube.com. studio.youtube.com. So it is opening, and this is my dashboard. Guys. So these are the things you're supposed to do after uploading your videos. So you come here, these are your contents. You click on it. Once you click on it, all your content, these are all the contents I've published so far. So I'll be making use of this one that I just published. I have not, it is still in unlisted. It has not gone live yet. Like, it has not been made public yet. So I'll click on it. Now that I have clicked on it, so these are the things you're supposed to do. You come here, guys. You can see here that this video has a title. It has a description. These days I don't even use long description for my videos any longer. Then this is the thumbnail. It is I've put it in a playlist. Guys, this is what I want to show you. This, can you see here? Can you see this particular place? This place is asking if my video is meant for kids. So this is what you do. I said here that no, this video is not meant for kids. Guys, if you're uploading a video and you know that that video is not meant for kids, it is best you say it is not meant for kids. You understand? So don't just leave it blank like that. If your channel is not for kids, you indicate it is not meant for kids. You understand? One thing about videos that are meant for kids is this: most times YouTube gets to lock the comment section, you understand, for the sake of their mental health. You understand? So at this point I'll click on more. I'll click on show more. So here you see paid promotion. That's not what we want at this moment. You see here altered content. Because it is mine, I take no. I take no because the content is actually mine. So you scroll down. You ensure that you have your tags so that your video can be visible. Then guys, can you see this? Can you see this caption certification? I just left it in none. Did you see this? Video language. Nigeria is an English speaking nation, so I left it in United States English. Then my description, title and description language, still in United States English. So guys, you scroll down. Can you see this? Can you see this video location? Can you see this video location? This is one of the reasons that your videos are not going viral. It's one of the reasons you're not even getting the numbers of views that you're supposed to. So if you click on it now, if you click on it, maybe you choose a country, you're telling YouTube to send your videos to people in that location. You understand? So I like leaving mine here. I like leaving mine like this. Like I don't choose a specific location for it, except you're targeting a particular region. You understand? So if you're targeting the US, the UK, Germany, your videos will be more useful to people in that region. You can. You understand? You can choose location, but this one, I don't want to limit this video. I want it to get across to everybody, to all parts of the world. You understand? So this other one, recording time, I left it at none. Then YouTube, for the license, I just left it at standard YouTube license. Guys, this is very, very important. Did you see this? Allow embedding and publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Guys, ensure that these two things are turned on. This is important, guys. Ensure that it is ticked. You've seen the way mine is ticked. Let me zoom it so you can see. You've seen the way mine is ticked. Mine is ticked. Guys, ensure that yours is ticked too. These two things are very important. They are part of the reasons your videos are not getting the views that it is supposed to get. Then guys, next is short remixing. If you want to remix your videos into short, you can turn this on. If you don't want, you can always leave it. Then next is category. If your channel does not have category up to this moment, I don't know what you're doing. Seriously, I don't know what you're doing. So if your channel, if you know that your channel does not have category, you can always come here, guys. We have so many categories here. You choose your category. Once you choose your category, it will enable YouTube to know the kind of content you create. It will enable YouTube to know the persons they should push your content more to. You understand? So all of this. The next one is comments. Guys, do not underestimate the power of comments. Do not underestimate the power of comments. Personally, I don't, because comments is part of engagement. So always allow your comments to be turned on, so that when people come to you, when people watch your videos, they can always leave a comment. And once they leave a comment, you know that is engagement for you. You understand? You come back to your video, you reply to those comments, and your videos will get the visibility that it deserves. You understand? So guys, please, if you've not turned on all these things I just showed you, go and turn them on. And once you're done uploading your video, that's why I keep telling you, always put your video in unlisted, so that you have enough time to check all these things if they are turned on or not. Then another thing I want to show you is this. You see these two things? Please, you can joke with any other thing. Do not joke with these two things. So that is your end screen, your end screen. Do not joke with your end screen, guys. Do not joke with them. So these are my end screens for this video. So look at them here. You already see that this video I have fixed my end screen. I am just giving YouTube some time, so that YouTube will do its responsibilities, carry out its responsibilities, do what it knows how to do best. So later on, I can come and make the video go public. You understand? So guys, if you're yet to do all these things, please kindly go and do them, so that your videos can get the visibility that it deserves. Thank you so much for watching my video up to this point. Thank you so much. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now. Did I mention cards? Do not forget to add cards to your video. It is very, very important. Bye for now, guys.